Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. It's biology for class 10 and today I will again start the topic that is how do organisms reproduce. Um, a- Almost half of the lesson I already explained you and then I stop it for the midterm exam, and as your midterm exam started, so today again I started the topic that is how do organisms reproduce. Fast recalling of the topic that is male and female reproductive system. In human being, the sexual reproduction take place, and sexual reproduction means in which the two parents are involved, one male and one female. In human male reproductive system, the main primary organ is testes. One pair of testes are present in human male human, and it is located outside the body. As it is located outside the body, the protection for the protection of testes, there is a muscular pouch is present on it, and it is called scrotum. Why the testes are located outside the body? Because the production of sperm required the less temperature than the human body temperature. That's why the testes are required outside the body. What is the function of testes? The function of testes is to produce the male gametes, that is sperm. Okay. So the production of male gametes start when a human male reaches to the puberty. Clear? So the main function of testes is to produce the male gametes sperm. And second function is it produces the male sex hormone, that is testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for all the secondary sexual characteristics of human male, like the deep voice, the facial hair, like the strong muscles, etc. are the secondary sexual characteristics of the human male, and it is the responsibility of testosterone. Then another part is there, that is vas deferens. Vas deferens are the tubular structure. From each testis, one vas deferens arises. And the function of the vas deferens is it transfers the sperm to urethra. Urethra in human male is doing the dual function. The first um, to throw out the urine from the body, and the second to ejaculate the sperms. Okay, so there is one organ is there, urethra, which is doing the both function. Now the next, there are the two glands are present, prostate glands and seminal vesicle. They both secrete the fluid, and the function of this fluid is provide the nourishment to the sperm, okay, and a medium for sperm to move. So the for movement of the sperm, the fluid of the prostate gland and seminal vesicle provide a medium, works as a medium. Semen is a word. It is used for the sperm and plus secretion of prostate gland and seminal vesicle. Combinedly, it is known as semen. So this was a brief introduction about the male reproductive system. Now, female reproductive system. The primary organ of female reproductive system is ovary. Similar to the male, the one pair of ovaries are present in female. And the function of ovary is to produce the female gamete, ova or egg. Okay. Actually, the in a human female, the eggs are present in the ovary from the birth. Okay. But the maturation and the release of ovum take place when a female reaches to the age of puberty. Clear? So this is a difference. In male, the production of sperm take place at the puberty, and in ovary the eggs are already present but the release of eggs start when the girl reaches to the age of puberty. Another function of ovary is to produce the female sex hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone. The function of estrogen and progesterone is they are responsible for the secondary sexual characteristics of the female. Now the next is coming, that is fallopian tube. One pair of the fallopian tube is present. Each arises from the ovary, and the function of fallopian tube is it is site of fertilization. Means the fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. The ovary release the ova and it comes to the fallopian tube, and here the fertilization occurs. Another name of fallopian tube is oviduct. The next organ is there, that is uterus. Uterus is a sac-like structure and the development of the embryo takes place here. Okay, so it is a brief introduction or explanation about the female reproductive system. Now today's topic, fertilization. What is fertilization? The fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. This is the female gamete egg and these are the sperms. Okay, sperms are having head, middle piece and tail, and they can motile, while the eggs are non-motile. I'm saying you the differences between the egg and sperm also. And sperm both are single cell, but egg is non-motile while the sperms are motile. Sperm having a tail, eggs do not have. The size of egg is larger while the size of sperm is smaller. Clear? Now, the fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization, and at the result of fertilization, the zygote is formed. Clear? Egg is known as unfertilized egg and zygote is called fertilized egg. Understood? The another name of zygote is fertilized egg. Here you can see the picture. This is ovary. Ovary is releasing the ova or egg. It comes to the fallopian tube. And here what happened? Here the fertilization take place. This is ova and here the fertilization. The ovary release the ova. This process is called ovulation. Here now the sperm reach here and the fertilization occur. Clear? After fertilization, this egg convert into zygote. You can see over here. Now, this zygote, what happened? Here in the zygote, the division start. The multiple time division take place. First it convert into 2 cell. Here you can say 4 cell. Then here it again multiply, and in this way it can become a mass of cells, a lump of cell, and this is called embryo. So the zygote after multiple division converts into the embryo. This embryo slowly moves towards the uterus and then it is stuck to the wall of uterus. Clear? Ovary release the ovum, fertilization occur, convert into zygote, and the zygote multiple time division convert into embryo, and this embryo stuck to the wall of uterus. The process of embryo stuck to the wall of uterus or the attachment of embryo to the wall of uterus is called implantation. Clear?